person fit to the job, team and organisational culture is a high priority at Eurostar. Our people play a key part in our goal to becoming Europe's most loved travel experience, and so we place an emphasis on values, behaviours and competencies. In our customer-facing positions in particular, this is really important because we want to ensure that each team member adds value to our customer experience through our values of connected, caring and ambitious. So in our recruitment process, we measure this by including values-based and competency-based interview questions, whilst also involving our stakeholders and colleagues in our selection process. From the point of offer at Eurostar, our recruitment team stay in contact with all successful candidates through what can often be quite lengthy notice periods, and we do this in order to sustain engagement throughout that time. Part of this is by sending a welcome pack out to each successful candidate, which includes further information on Eurostar and also return tickets to one of our core destinations, so that they can, it's a way to welcome them to the business, but also it gives them an opportunity to sample our service and our company culture. Then within our first week with Eurostar, each new employee goes through our company induction program, Welcome on Board. This gives them the opportunity to spend time in various locations in Eurostar: our engineering depot, our contact centre, various stations and our head office. Following on from this, we tend to know at the recruitment process what training and development is required for each individual. So their line manager devises an induction program that's bespoke to that individual and their role, to enable them to set them up to be successful in their position. As well as that, we're currently developing a line manager induction so that our new managers can help to learn how we do business and also to help integrate them into their new role. We use psychometric tests when recruiting our senior managers at Eurostar, and we find this is used best before the interview process. So the resulting report gives us a greater insight into each individual, which helps us shape the interview questions to be more relevant. For example, if a report indicated that somebody was less likely than others to adapt well to change, and this was a key element in the role we were recruiting for, then this would help us shape those interview questions to be more relevant to that individual. In relation to our safety critical roles such as drivers and train managers, a high degree of responsibility is involved in those jobs along with working alone, and so we incorporate both psychological and cognitive based testing into the interview process in order to ensure that those individuals can work successfully in that type of environment, and also to ensure that they can make decisions in a highly pressurised environment to ensure the safety of our customers at all times.